NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, is known for its groundbreaking achievements in space exploration and research. While there are many well-known facts about NASA, here are some lesser-known ones that you may find interesting. Origins of NASA. NASA was established on July 29, 1958, as a response to the Soviet Union's launch of the first artificial satellite, Sputnik. However, the foundations for NASA can be traced back to the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, NACA, which was created in 1915. NASA's secret mission. In addition to its publicized missions, NASA also conducts classified missions on behalf of national security. These missions often involve launching satellites or conducting research in collaboration with intelligence agencies. Spacecraft graveyard. NASA has a spacecraft graveyard, known as Point Nemo in the South Pacific Ocean. It's the farthest point on Earth from any land and is used as a deorbit location for spacecraft, ensuring they don't endanger populated areas upon re-entry. Silent pioneers. The Mercury 13 Inches were a group of 13 women who underwent the same physical and psychological tests as the original male astronauts in the early 1960s. They passed the tests but were not allowed to become astronauts due to gender discrimination at the time. NASA's inventions. NASA's research has resulted in numerous inventions and technological advancements that have found applications beyond space exploration. Examples include memory foam, originally developed for aircraft seats, scratch-resistant lenses, and cordless tools. Hidden figures. The contributions of African American women mathematicians to NASA's early space program were highlighted in the book and subsequent movie, Hidden Figures. These women played crucial roles in calculations for space missions. Despite facing racial and gender discrimination, water on the moon. In 2009, NASA's Lunar Crater Observation and Sensing Satellite, LCROSS, mission confirmed the presence of water on the moon. It detected significant amounts of water ice in a permanently shadowed crater near the lunar south pole. Mars Atmosphere and Volatile Evolution, MAVEN mission. MAVEN, launched in 2013, is studying the Martian atmosphere to understand how the planet lost its ancient atmosphere and water over time. This knowledge helps scientists learn more about the potential habitability of Mars in the past and future. NASA spin-off technologies. NASA has a long history of developing technologies that find applications outside of space. These spin-off technologies have impacted various fields, including medicine, transportation, communications, and consumer products. For instance, NASA's work on thermal protection systems led to the development of firefighting gear. Exoplanet discoveries. NASA's Kepler and TESS missions have revolutionized our understanding of exoplanets, planets outside our solar system. They have discovered thousands of exoplanet candidates and confirmed the existence of many Earth-sized planets in the habitable zones of their host stars. Planetary defense. NASA is actively working on ways to protect Earth from potential asteroid impacts. The agency's Planetary Defense Coordination Office identifies, tracks, and characterizes near-Earth objects, NEOs, that could pose a threat. NASA is also developing technologies for deflecting asteroids if they are on a collision course with Earth. International collaboration. While NASA is a United States government agency, it actively collaborates with international partners on many space missions. For instance, the International Space Station, ISS, is a joint project involving NASA, Roscosmos, Russia, ESA, European Space Agency, JAXA, Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, and CSA, Canadian Space Agency. These are just a few examples of lesser-known facts about NASA. The agency continues to push the boundaries of exploration and scientific research, leading to new discoveries and technological advancements.